Right, we're going to show you quick release, and the situations where you would use this are if you didn't have much tidal flow, or you wanted to anchor up somewhere and then go and take some pictures of someone and then come back. So first thing we do, clip on your quick release, pull your anchor trolley forwards and clip it on. Thread it through the carabiner. So you've got a loop of line. Okay, can you see that? So I've got a loop of line going through the carabiner and the quick release is clamped on. Okay, so now our quick release is on. Paddle up to where you want to drop your anchor. Grab the anchor. Got the buoy connected to the anchor, as we explained before. Drop your anchor, so pull on the free spool. Keep letting line out. So you're moving down tide, you need to let a lot of line out. 2 or 3 times the depth of the water. Okay. And then take your quick release loop, put it over your mooring buoy, and drop the whole lot in. Okay. Shuttle the anchor trolley back, lock it with the cleat, and then tie your quick release on. All you do is just tie a knot that's going to allow you to disconnect from the quick release in a hurry. So all I do is a simple loop, really. There you go. So the anchor's locked off, the quick release is tied off, so that can't go anywhere, and your anchor. Okay, so the anchor's at the back, it's locked, the trolley line is locked, and you're tied off to the buoy at the back. Okay? And the reason I've done it in a river is because when you're at sea, obviously things happen a lot quicker. I probably wouldn't be able to talk as well as doing it at the same time. But that's about it. Now I'm connected to the anchor system. I'm anchored up, and if I was to pull on that rope there, quick release would release, and I would drift away from the anchor system. The anchor system would stay there. So that buoy would stay there and the anchor would stay there. and we'll see in a minute how you retrieve. So let's retrieve anchor now. So you can see that we've got the anchor behind us, the mooring buoy. We've got the quick release. Okay. So what we're going to do is release from the quick release. So now we'll float away. Basically there's nothing holding us now. Right, and then we can pull the anchor trolley back. And there you can see we're released. See the quick release now is releasing us from the mooring buoy. So there you go, we're released from the anchor now and we're floating back down tide. Just stow the quick release just so it doesn't get in the way. Really I should fold it up and pack it all back in. So for the purposes of this we'll just keep it as it is for now. And there you can see we're already going back down tide. So right, now what do we have to do? Well, now we have to paddle back up tide, or up river in this case. Pick up the buoy and the diver reel at the same time, but then you have to remember that the anchor is actually quite a long way ahead of us, and if you're at sea and you've got a strong tide, then it might be a long way ahead. So you have to keep paddling up tide to get into a position where you're up tide of the anchor. Alright, so we keep paddling. Go so that we're up tide of the anchor, and then what we do is we simply drift back towards the anchor, and as we drift back we pull in the anchor line. Alright, so here we go. We're just drifting back, and as we're drifting back we're pulling the anchor in. And then you get to a point where you're directly above it and you should just be able to pull the anchor up. Here you go, there's the anchor. Put the anchor on board and wind in your slack back onto your anchor, diver's reel. And that's it. That's how you retrieve with a quick release. As you can see, it's quite simple.